This website helped me to start landing high ticket clients, and I went from charging 500 to 1500 because of the luxury feel and credibility this website conveys to the clients to build trust. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this website and all the features this website comes along, and how you can change and alter all the specificity to your likes and needs. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I'm a web designer and a social media manager. I'm selling services to local businesses, and right now I'm teaching you to do the same. So let's get back to it. If you're using Gohighlevel website, it probably looks like this: old, boring, and with less conversion rate. And look at this website: clean, trendy, and interactive, which can help your client to trust you more with their money. If I was a client and if I was supposed to trust a web designer with a shitty website, it feels like I'm learning to swim from a guy who doesn't know how to swim. So this is the website. As you can see, it has a clean and professional look, and in the first hero section with the dynamic rolling caption, all the animations and effects you're gonna see in this website are basically done by custom CSS codes. As you can see in my website, you can find it over here, a delivering service. If you have a comprehensive website and if you are selling a high-end luxury website, probably you'll be getting lots of reviews, lots of referrals, and people are genuinely willing to trust you with their money. So it makes sense to put every code in a Notion template so that I can make use of it. My intention was not supposed to sell this. Everything you're seeing in this video are going on sale for a couple of months on Jan and Feb. It ends on end of the Feb. Everything you're seeing in here, it's made inside Gohighlevel. Probably in this view, you won't get to see the some of the animations as in here. I'll just show you how it looks. Like, you get to have the hover effect on the comprehensive features sections, the slide-in animations, which is interactive, and the button animation, and you'll also get to have this hover effect on each sections. And there is a continuous loop of this images. It's basically images which is inside a CSS code. It stops when you hover on this, and this is the questions. And as you go, we have different pages, home, features, and again pricing. It's the same toggle. Login, at the moment I didn't put any login inside. You can probably assign your login details inside when you share your details for the sub account. You can put your link inside and ask them to log in within your website so it looks classy and clean. And now I'm going to show you how you can alter and change anything you want. As you can see, opening the code editors, if you want to say something else, you can just change this inside the codes. Service-based coaching, consulting, that's the thing which is going in the loop inside the website. You shouldn't change anything. You shouldn't even change a dot in this code, or else nothing's gonna work, because there's multiple codes running inside. You don't have to delete anything or change anything. Only change the things that I'm asking you to change, or else your website's not gonna work properly. And when you click on the buttons, animation advanced, as you can see, it's a button effect and GSR fade in up. It has its own animation which floats up when you scroll down, and as you can see, it has its own hover effect which is inside custom CSS. When you go inside the custom CSS field, there will be a lot of codes which took me a while to build up. You don't have to change anything on this. If you change even a dot in this, nothing's gonna work. You can change the animations maybe. I'll show you how it's done. Advanced. As you can see, that's the prefix of GSR, which is my brand, and fade in left. You can probably put fade in right corner, fade in left corner. There's a list of animations which is inside my Gohighlevel code snippets. You can basically type the animation rather than coding all these stuff, but you do have to put in a chunk of code inside your website to make this work, and you will get it inside that Gohighlevel CSS code. And you can change these images to your needs. And when you click on this rolling element, this is also a custom CSS code, and the monthly and yearly toggle. When you switch off this preview, you get to see both the monthly and yearly toggle at the same place. You can change anything you want, and for the sake of this template, I'm not going to change anything, but if you want, you can change anything you want inside, and you can change the what it says inside the buttons, and you can let it know where it needs to go, probably your Stripe invoice. And if you changed it, just click preview, because I'm going to show you another thing on this. When you select the section, when you go to advanced, you can see there's a section called monthly, GSR fading up. The monthly is to connect the codes with the section. If you toggle monthly, the monthly is going to show. And when you click on yearly section, same, annual plan, and it's going to be hiding underneath the monthly. Only way you can get to see this is with the toggle. And I'm letting you know another thing is CSS doesn't allow you to preview the animations inside the builder, but you can see it inside the website. If you're freaking out that it's not working inside, as I did, it's going to be in the website, so don't freak out. And the questions, you can probably change it here. And if you want to change the things inside, click the list and you can change the answers inside. Animations, as you can see, advanced. This is a basic animations, which is hover effect. As you can see, you have just 2 animations on scroll through, which is dynamic, like this. If you want more, it is inside my Gohighlevel code snippets. It's linked in the description. It's just plug and play. There's multiple animations which will make your website look classy. And that's, if you want to toggle through pages, okay, I'm not going to save it, cancel. Features, it's the same. I've just made it a global section. As you can see, if it's a purple, it's a global section. If you change in one place, it's going to change in every other place. So make sure to keep that in mind. So all these things are a global section. Another thing, pricing, it is also a global section. Make sure to link up your buttons down here so that it actually works and you're getting the payment inside. And that's all. And let me show you another thing, which is this website is mobile friendly, because most of the time your clients are using mobile instead of PC. I'll show you that as well. F12. Look at that. Everything works properly. Everything is in place. The animation is working. The effects are working. The toggle is working. Everything is working fine, because most of the platform, the people who are selling the website template doesn't think about the mobile accessibility. But not me. I took care of it. You have a complete package of SaaS website which is going to increase your credibility and to help you land high ticket clients like I'm doing right now. I went from £500 a website to 1,500. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.